Hi, I'm Alan, and today we're unboxing the most consumer-friendly VR gaming headset, the Oculus Quest. I purchased this off of Amazon. I got the 64GB version. In the box, we have the Oculus Quest headset, of course. We have 2 touch controllers. In the left, we have a smaller box for accessories. Comes with a 15-watt power adapter. A frame spacer. The Oculus Link headset cable. And lastly, 2 AA batteries and a set of instructions. So there you have it. That's what comes in the box when you purchase an Oculus Quest, and thank you for watching.